Yo, what is going on, guys? Hopefully you are having a good day. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my method to get a tweaked or hacked version of Offroad Outlaws, guys. Offroad Outlaws is the game on the market right now, and honestly, I've been playing for a good 2 or 3 weeks, and I really enjoyed it, but I have wanted to get more resources, more unlockables, whatever it may be, and I don't want to spend money on the game. If you guys are here, I'm sure you're in a very similar boat, but I have really gone searching for a good, reliable method to not have to pay for those resources, but still get them, and I actually stumbled across something on TikTok that I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. It works really well. It works on my iPhone, it works on my buddy's Android, it works on iPads too, so it basically works on all of your guys' devices, which I'm happy about. Let me stop my babbling, let me start my explaining, and let me show you what I'm talking about, etc., etc. Let's get into it,
guys. So as you can see here, I am running Offroad Outlaws here on my iPhone 11. Now, my iPhone 11 is great. I don't have any problems with my iPhone 11, but I am sure that some of you are running a different one. Just follow the instructions for your devices, kind of like settings, if that makes sense. There's going to be a couple things that might seem like they are only for iPhones, but they are on all devices as well. So just follow along the best you can. But here is the Offroad Outlaws, and here's my little money, all this kind of information up here. If you just go ahead, click on that, it's going to open up an Offroad, my apologies, Outlaws mod menu. Now this is mod version 7.4. When I actually downloaded this, it was version 6. So they've added more stuff already. But yeah, I mean, like unlimited gold and money, I can literally just go ahead and turn that on. And then I'll even show you real quick. I could just hit this activate button right here. And let's see here. Go ahead and reset that. And then watch all my money up there, guys. There it goes. Look at that. Now I have a ton of gold, infinite gold, and infinite money. I have all of the infinite resources that I could ever want. And even though it says 9999999, as I spend it, like, that just stays 999. Because it's, like, even higher than that, but it can't show numbers higher than that, I guess, if that makes sense. You guys are probably like, wait a second, I don't have that. And that's because I am running a different version of Outlawed, or Offroad Outlaws. I am running a slightly different version, as you guys can see, but you are probably curious, how do I get that version? Well, it's pretty easy. You just need these two apps right here. You need Settings and you need Safari. Now, if you don't have Safari, that's okay. You can use any other internet browser, don't worry. But let's go ahead and open up Safari here, guys, and we're going to go into this website that I'm about to show you called the Tweak Valley Store. So type this into your URL, tweakvalley.com, type that in, hit go. And what you're going to see right here, guys, is a, what's going on here? Tweak Valley. Let's just type that in again. Looks like I already accidentally was in the middle of downloading an app, but what we have here is a massive app store of hacked apps, tweaked apps, etc., etc. And one of the versions, and one of the things that we are looking for, obviously, let's see if we can find it. Where are we here, guys? There it is, Offroad Outlaws. Plus, let's go ahead and hit that install button, and that's going to begin an installation process of something called a configuration profile. Now, what a configuration profile is basically just Apple's fancy-smancy word for hacked app. The reason why they can't call it a hacked app is because Apple is only allowing you to call it an app if you download it on the App Store. So since this is not the App Store, it's technically a profile, not an app. But it functions the exact same. So what we're waiting for is a little pop-up here on our screen saying that, hey, do you want to download this? Do you know you're downloading this? So we're waiting for that pop-up right now. Boom, there it is. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. We do want to allow that. Awesome, guys. Now, let's go to the settings to install it. You guys are going to go to the general section. And in VPN and device management, you should see Offroad Outlaws. Go ahead and hit that install button in the top right and type in your regular unlock password, the regular password used to unlock your phone. Hit next, install twice, and then done. After that, guys, unless I'm mistaken, and I rarely am, yep, Offroad Outlaws is downloaded and ready to go, the version that you guys can get all the hacks on. Enjoy.